to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo and 168 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'll show you how to pay for product without any hassle using 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, how about Pinduoduo or IDP, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. With that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Pinduoduo Translation tab right here. App. They have to open up your Pinduoduo app. Next thing you need to do is to source for product from different supplier. If you don't know how to source for product from different supplier, consider to check out the video on my channel. I've made a lot of step-by-step video on how you can source for product from different supplier. After you have sourced for the product from the supplier, next thing you need to do is to add a product to cart. Then for you to visit your cart, click on here. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on here. Cart. Now all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Next thing you need to do is to select them one after the other. So I'm going to pay for this product. I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down and review everything before you proceed to payment. However, there are so many means of payment right here on Pinduoduo. I'm going to use my Alipay right here. So you can see Alipay is checked right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment with Alipay. Click on confirm payment right here. Enter your payment password to complete the payment. Payment success, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on done right here. And click on here to close this pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go to your profile. By the time you refresh your profile, the product you just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So this is the first one right here. 1, 2, and the third one is here. It's that simple. Let's go ahead and see how you pay for your product or goods on 1688. So I'm going to exit from my. What I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, the same way you used to source for products in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is the same way you are going to use to source for product on 168. Go ahead and see how to make payment for the order. And for me, I have the product on my profile. I'm going to click on here now to go to my profile. Then from my profile right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on here. Then here's the product right here. I'm going to click on the product link. Then I'll click on here to proceed to checkout. Then right here, I have to add all the products, quantity, and sizes into cart from here. So I'm going to start from, I need 13. I need one quantity of it. I need 13 Pro Max. I need one quantity of it. Then I need 14 Pro Max. I need one. So 14 Pro Max, I need one. I need 11 Pro Max. I have to go up 11 Pro Max. Then I need 12 Pro Max. I need one. I need 13 Pro Max. I need one. I need 16 Plus. I need two. 16 Plus. I need 16 plus, I need 2. 1, 2. Okay. I need 11. I need 2 pieces of it. I need 2 of these. 1, 2. Then I need 12 Pro Mass. I need 1. So everything I need right here is 10 pieces. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. The next thing I need to do is to enter my payment password. Our payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to close this bumper. By the time I refresh my profile on 1688, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. You can see them right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship, import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.